In this video, we will learn how to combining data from multiple cell in Excel. So let's start this Excel sheet, and you can see here I have here simple data with the name, address, city, state and zip code. So here I'm going to combining the multiple cells. So let's start how it's done. So first select the cell and then use the is equal to, then select the first cell name, then use the ampersand sign. You can see here the and sign also. Okay, then I use the quotation mark, then I click on the space, and again I use the quotations, and again I use the ampersand, and here I select the second cell. After that I again use the ampersand, again use the quotation, space, again use the quotation, then again use the ampersand and select the third cell. Same I repeat here the okay, then quotations, okay, then again ampersands, then I select the fourth cell. Same I repeat here, ampersand, quotation, space, quotations, ampersands and select the fourth one and just enter. So that's it. You can see here the name and address here combined. So multiple cell is combined in one cell here. So if you want to comma after the name, you can do it, just double click on it and you can edit here your formula. So in first quotation marks, you can just remove the space and use the here comma and just enter. So that's it. You can see the after the name is showing the comma and then its full address. Okay, so here you can use the colon also. I just double click on it, again I remove the comma and I use here the colon, and just enter, and you can see the after the name is colon mark and after it the address, full address. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.